to work in the morning. And I left my door open like I usually do. And I left my balcony door open. I usually do that too. But what happened was that day there was the worst storms, desert storms that we've had since we've come to Cairo. And I didn't think anything about it, about like what our place would look like when we came home. And I had a really long day and I wasn't feeling well. And then I get home and I see that there is a pile of just drywall on the floor. And it took me a second to look up, and then I saw that my door, like around the area, the wall around the door had just collapsed. And so I tried to open my door and it was really hard to get in because not only did the wall break, but the door broke. So both things are gonna have to be replaced. And I came in and my room was full of dirt.